In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy and set up a website domain on Canva. If you've built a site in Canva and want a professional web address, this walkthrough is for you. A domain is the name people type to reach your site, like your business.com. Canva lets you purchase a new domain and link it directly to your Canva website, so you don't have to deal with separate hosting or complex settings. Start on a desktop browser and log in to your Canva account. Using desktop keeps all the buttons easy to find and ensures the publishing options appear as shown. Once you're in, click Create a Design, then select Website. Open the website you're ready to publish, or start from a template if you already have one in mind. Take a moment to confirm your pages and links look good, since these will be what visitors see. When you're ready to go live, head to the top right and click Share. Then choose Publish Website. A pop-up will appear with publishing options. Select Use a custom domain to attach a branded address to your site. Next, choose Buy a new domain. This tells Canva you want to purchase a fresh address right here. Type your desired domain, such as do.mybusiness.com, and click Search. Think about clarity and memorability here. Shorter is easier to remember, and choosing a relevant ending, like .com or a regional or specialty extension, can help. If your first choice isn't available, try a simple variation, like a different ending or a slight spelling tweak that still matches your brand. If the domain is available, click Buy Domain. Follow the on-screen payment steps to complete your purchase. Make sure your contact and billing details are accurate, since they're used for domain registration. After you finish checkout, Canva automatically connects the domain to your Canva website for you. No DNS setup required. This may take a short moment to process, so don't worry if you see a brief loading period. Once the domain is connected, click Publish to make your site live. Visit your new web address in a fresh browser tab to confirm everything looks right, and preview on mobile to ensure it's easy to navigate. If you ever make updates to your design, simply republish, and your changes will appear at the same domain. That's it. You now have a professional, memorable address pointing directly to your Canva website. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.